Okay, so today, Thursday, 26th, we're going to be working on our warm-up. We're going to do the homework check. Well, I've already checked your homework, but we're going to go over the homework if you need, whatever problems you need me to do. And then we're going to finish up time management and talk about learning styles and strategies and things like that, okay? All right, our homework for tonight is day 4, and then we're finished with this packet. Please make sure that you bring your laptops tomorrow. Put this a little asterisk here. Bring laptops. Yes.
My mom signed the paper. I just went to the media office to get it.
Can you go do that, please? Please bring your laptop tomorrow, okay? Super important. Please do that. All right. Let's look at the warm-up Thursday. It says, write the ordered pair for each point shown at the right. Name the quadrant in which the point is located. Okay, and we numbered our quadrants. We didn't number this one yesterday. This is quadrant 1. This is quadrant 2. This is quadrant 3. This is quadrant 4. This is the x-axis. That's the number line that goes from left to right, horizontal number line. This is the y-axis. This is our vertical number line, the number line that goes up and down. The origin is where the two number lines or the axes meet at 0, 0. Okay. In the first quadrant, both numbers are positive. Both the x coordinate and the y coordinate are positive. In the second,
and I hope y'all have this written down because I'm going to be looking for this.
Okay. In the second quadrant, the first number is a negative number and the second number is a positive number. Please write this down, okay? The third quadrant, both the x and the y are negative, okay? Both the x and the y are negative. What? Oh, you hadn't even turned it in yet? Right, you haven't turned that form in yet, baby? Get that turned in right now, okay? Take it right now because you need that laptop. All right. The last quadrant number 4, is the first number is a positive number and the second number is a negative. Please write this in, okay? Please write this in. All right, so let's find point A. Let's find point A. Point A is down here, y'all. Make this a little darker. What's the ordered pair for point A? What's the ordered pair for point A? Remember, x is first. That means over, left or right is first, and up and down is the second number. Yes. All right, so let's count over. This is -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. Go over one more, -7, okay? You was almost there, babe. Very good. So we got -7 is our x, and then how far do we go down? Yes.
-4.
-4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great job. -4. Very, very good. Now, what quadrant is that in? Amanda? It's in the third quadrant. Q3. Okay? Come on, baby. Write it down. Which everything that I wrote. Say again, baby. Okay. Then sit right here at 14. You see seat 14 right here, baby? Come on over here. Come on. I like your haircut. That looks good. You don't like it? It looks good. All right, C. Let's find C. I tried to zoom it in, guys, but this is as big as it gets on this screen, okay? C is right here. What ordered pair is C? Yes. Very good, baby. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great job. Positive 5 and positive 5. What quadrant is that in, Chloe? Quadrant. Quadrant 1. Quadrant 1. Okay. Quadrant number 1. Please make sure that you write this down. Now we're looking at E. Look at where E is. What's the ordered pair for E? Yes. 0, 0. Good job, babe. And what's the location of that? Yes.
Origin point.
The origin. Good job. Now let's look for G. Let's look for G. What's the ordered pair for G? Let's find it first, y'all. G is right here. What's the ordered pair? Yes. -3 and -3. Good job. Okay, -3, -3. What quadrant is this in? Yes, 3. Good job, babe. Okay. Let's find B. Let's find B. B is right here, y'all. B is right here. What's the ordered pair for B? Come on, somebody different. Taylor. Hey, girl. What's the ordered pair for B? B is right here. Let's count over. How many times did we go over, baby? She got it. Okay, very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great job. Now, how far did we go down, sweetie? Count down. Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's going to be a -4. What quadrant is that in, Lucia? Quarter. Did I say your name right? Okay. Quadrant 4. Good job. Okay. K. Yes. All right. Let me find K. You found it way before I did. Very good, sweetie. -2 and 0. Okay. What's the location of that, Amanda? That is the x-axis. Good job. Oh, y'all did amazing today. So proud of y'all. Okay.
Yeah.
Say again. It's a -2. Yes, yes, yes. Any other questions before we move on to the homework? Stone, you good? Okay. Isaiah, you good, babe? I hadn't heard your voice. You all right? Yes, baby. Go ahead. Guys, I don't want us to get in the habit of using this as your bathroom break. It's not, okay? All right. Yes, baby, go ahead. Up like this? Like this? Okay. Yada, you good, baby, back there? Okay. You got it? Okay. All right, let's look at our homework. Everybody was good with that before I moved it? Okay. Let's look at the homework. Okay. He's not here. Yes. Okay, good. When I come around, I will make sure to check that, okay? All right, so look at this. All right. What's the ordered pair for A? What's the ordered pair for A? Yes. -1 and +1. What's the ordered pair for B, Amanda? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. Wait a minute. Sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job, baby. 5, 5. Okay. What's the ordered pair for C? Natalia? Negative 5 and negative 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's negative 5. Down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Negative 5. Good job, baby. Okay. I'm going to skip down to this section right here. We're going to graph this ordered pair. I'm going to graph some of these. Make sure you have it right. Sit up, sweetheart. Negative 1, go over to the left one time. You see me go right here. And then positive 3, go up 3. 1, 2, 3. This is where we put in. Okay. Let's do 12. Okay. 2, comma, negative 4. Let's go over 1, 2, and negative 4 is down. 1, 2, 3, and 4. This is V. Okay. All right, did a couple of those. Let me do a couple on the bottom. Number 20. City Hall. What ordered pair is City Hall? What ordered pair is City Hall, Amanda?
0,
0, 0. I'm just gonna start calling people because I'm calling the same people because those are people that volunteer it. Okay. I need some other people to try to volunteer. Let's do another one. I need a different person. 21. Go ahead, babe. Negative 7. That's over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's negative 7. And what'd you say after that, baby? Negative 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's down 5. Negative 5. Very good. Negative 7 and negative 5. Excellent job. Okay, let's look at Thursday's homework, please. This is what you do tonight. Okay, here's the picture. Here's the order pair. These are points here. If you want to make them darker so you can see it, that's fine. Got your entrance, special services. These are the different classes. Okay, got it? Made those darker. Okay, so now it's telling you have to read these. It's telling you where it's located. Okay, that room. What room is she in? So look, she is going to this location. So find that ordered pair and then say what room is she in. So you go negative 2. That's 1. That's 2. And then positive 1 is up 1. What room is this? Yes.
Computer lab.
The computer lab. So that's what you put here. Any questions about the homework tonight? Okay, so now the other part of that, it says describe in words how she got from the origin to the computer lab. So from the origin, which is right here, the counselor, she went over two rooms to the left, right? 1, 2, and then she went up 1. Okay, so that's what you say. She went to the left and up 1 time. Okay. So make sure you read it and answer the questions. You're going to use the graph at the top of the page to answer the questions. Any questions at all about the expectation for the homework? The homework, all of the homework is going to be due tomorrow. You get 1 grade on the homework. It's 4 days, so it's 25 points apiece. Got it? Okay. So if you're
And
missing,
please get into the habit of showing your work if there is work to be shown. Because if you have answers only, we're not going to know how you got that number, and we know for a fact that we can't do this stuff in our heads. We have to have some processes written out. So if you just have a number sitting there on your paper, we are going to count like that, like it is nothing.
With graphing these ordered pairs, of course, that's different. So please use discretion. Okay, don't take it literal with every single thing. There's sometimes where this is showing your work. Okay, and there are other times where we don't know how you got that number. And even if you're not going to use the process that I'm using, you need to write some process down so I know what you're thinking, because I can't read your mind. Okay. All right. Thank you, Ms. Moore. All right, so let's put this in our folder and take out our composition notebook, our interactive notebook. Okay, we already completed the SMART goals. We completed this page. We identified our potential solutions here. The last question that we're going to answer on this page is, who are the people you will ask to help you? Please make sure that you put my name on there and that you're going to ask me for help. Please put Miss Moore's name on there because you're going to ask Miss Moore for help. Okay? And then you might need some encouragement from your parents. They may not be able to do the math, but they can certainly encourage you and certainly check your homework sheet to give you some accountability to make sure that you are doing your homework nightly. They shouldn't have to at this age, but maybe they might. Okay? All right. That's over this way. Oh, yeah, that's right here. It goes right there.
There we go. That's what I needed.
All right. Okay, so now we're doing, did we paste down the time management sheet? Have we done that yet or no? You pasted down?
Has Keelan been here yet?
No. All right. So you should have already, we completed this already, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. So let's make sure that we fold this and paste it in our notebook.
Yesterday, I did see someone pasting it down, spread open in between two pages. You should only have one sheet. So when you, in the future, when you have a full sheet, that just goes on one. I think it was you who was pasting it in between two pages.
It doesn't fit on one sheet. I already tried.
Do what?
It doesn't fit on one.
Oh, no, you fold it in half, like what I did here. Fold it in half and then paste it down like this, baby. Paste it down, just like that, okay? And that way you can just open it up like this. All right, so let's go ahead and paste that down, please. Everything that's in your notebook is a part of the project grade. Okay, it's 35% of your grade. So you want to make sure that that everything we give you in this notebook is completed, okay? We'll mark some things out, but just like that, the things that I tell you that need to be completed, just make sure that those items are completed, okay? All right, so now we should have finished this sheet. And now at the bottom, I need you to total up all of your points. Remember, 2 was always, 1 was sometimes, and 0 was never. You get no points for never. Total that up, and if you got, like for me, I don't remember what my number was, but I'm just gonna put 40 down here. This is my number, and I'm going to put it in a circle. I need you to add up all of your points and put your points in a circle. Okay? Add up all of your points and put your points in a circle. I'm going to pause. All right, this is what your number says about you. Let me get another sheet because I already pasted it in, so it's hard for me to put that on my camera because of the way I pasted it. Down here at the bottom, it tells you this. If you have between 45 and 50 points, you have excellent time management. Okay? Excellent. If you have between 30 and 44 points, you manage your time fairly well, but you could use some guidance. Okay? Right? That means like maybe you need to create a schedule. And if you have between 0 and 30 points, your time management needs to be improved, okay? It needs some improvements, but don't panic. That's okay. You still have the ability to get some things done. It's just that that's an area of weakness. We gotta work on it, okay? Any questions, comments, or concerns about the time management? Right, so now we're gonna talk about, I'm gonna give you a schedule. I'm going to give you like a little chart where you can fill in what your schedule is. Yes, baby. What's today's date? It's on your packet. Let me see. What is today's date? The 26th. Let me know if you can you know, you can just hold it right. Go ahead and put your name on that sheet. Go ahead and put your name on that sheet.
Are they gonna cut this apart or are they gonna fold it?
We're gonna fold it. We're gonna fold it. All right, so I am going to look at me do this. Draw a line. Try to trace that line because look, it didn't show up. It didn't print like, I think because it was in color, it didn't print like it was supposed to when you print on black and white printer. Yes, baby. Yes, go ahead. All right, here. I'm just tracing the lines, okay? Okay. Pause this real quickly. Okay. So it should look like this. Maybe yours is probably neater than mine. She's a straight edge. So she's using a straight edge, so that's a blessing. Yours look way better than mine, babe.
And I see someone doing their lines with a highlighter or a marker, and I think that's really cool.
Yeah.
I love colored pencils, so I love to do my notes in different.
I'm gonna do the same thing with my lines on this side. Okay, I'm gonna do the same thing with my lines on this side. Okay, so now this is what I want you to do. This is the part you need to do first. I should have put this over there, but I wasn't thinking. All right, so it says time, use, chart, and log. So I need you to write. How early do y'all get up in the morning?
5:30.
About 5:30. So here, so that's okay. So we're gonna put anything that's above 6, that is before 6 a.m. in the morning. Just put that there. That's when you wake up. Okay. And then what time do you leave your house?
6:15.
6:15. So that will go somewhere in here that you leave your house at that time. Okay. And then, do you eat breakfast before you leave?
No.
You don't eat breakfast. So breakfast is a very important meal. But if you don't eat breakfast, then don't put that down. Then the time that you eat, the time that you are in this class, you get here at 7 o'clock. So during this 7 o'clock hour right here, you're in homeroom. So this is where your day starts right here. This is where your day starts. And you can do a line all the way across, because this is where homeroom is. Or you can just block this off and put homeroom all the way straight across. However you want to do that, that's fine. So that's what homeroom is. First period, your encore, your electives go all the way from that 8 o'clock time all the way down to our 9 o'clock time. So we got encore here. So these are our electives. This is your electives or your encore. Encore. And then this is where you're in math. And then you're in whatever is your next class, all the way down to 2 p.m. This is school. So this is where your day ends. Right here. Okay? Then after that, I don't know what time you're on the bus, then you put bus between this time.
Exactly. 5:30.
You get home at 5:30?
We got home at 5 o'clock.
Oh, okay. Yeah, because there are bus issues. So you're on the bus until 5:30, then you keep bus all the way here, from here to here, that's bus. You're on the bus. Well, that's what you put. Just write it down how long. And then wherever you do your homework at, then put that's your time for homework. If you have practice, football practice, soccer practice, whatever, that's practice. If you're taking a nap, then you need to put nap time in there. Just plan out your day, okay? The things that you need to keep in mind, the things that you need, make sure that you have time for homework every night. You gotta be realistic. You need some homework time. So make sure that you have time for homework each and every single night. Okay, so plan out your day, plan out your schedule. Even if you go to Bible study or whatever it is that you do, whatever gap of time that is, please put that on there. Be realistic. This is yours. This is for you. This is mapping out your time. Any questions about what you're supposed to do with this sheet? All right, I'm going to give you time to complete that. Let's go ahead and get that done now. Okay. All right, so now we're going to go ahead and paste it down. We made our schedule. Let's fold it like we did the other sheet. Fold it in half just like this and put glue on the back. Okay, glue on the back. All right, so far, go turn to the front and let's label these pages because I did not do that and I'm so sorry. All right, so this is in the corner. We put Q1 because it's quarter one, okay? And this is going to be page 1. Should we follow you? Now we're going to the next page. Q1 in the corner. Page 2. Q1, page 2. That's the syllabus. Then we have Q1 in the corner, page 3. That's the classroom rules and regs. I'm moving too fast. Are y'all okay? All right. Christian, you good? Okay. All right, next one. Q1, page 4. That's the mathematical practices. Q1, page 4. Okay? Some people put PG for page. That's fine. Oh, yes, baby.
When does second quarter start?
I don't know. Don't give me the line right now, okay, baby? Let's just take it one day at a time. Q1, I probably could tell you if you didn't ask me, but I can't remember. I'm sorry. Q1, page 5. And you can always print a calendar, school calendar online, and it'll tell you all the dates, okay? The next page is Q1, page 6. Q1, page 6. That's this right here. This is the introduction page to the unit. You good? Romir. Oh, Romir, I think I marked you absent today. I got to go back in. It's Romir, right? Okay. Q1, page 7. Yes. Hurry up. Q1, page 7. That's the goal setting sheet. Q1, page 8 is time management.
I'm counting like every. So the goal setting sheet, I put this one like near page 3.
You need to put the right page number because I'm going to be looking for that page. So goal setting, no matter where you put that at, that should be page 7. So you need to put page 7 on that page. Page 7 is your goal setting. Page 7 is goal setting. It looks like this. Page 8, what did I say page 8 was? Time management. Page 9 is going to be your schedule. Q1, page 9. All right, got it? Are you okay? Are you all right? No, you could have just put the page number is what I was saying. You didn't have to move it. Just make sure that page number is right. Okay, so this next sheet is your learning styles. This is how you learn. Please be honest when you answer these questions. Yes, baby.
What if 2 answers best describe you best? Or just
Circle both of them. Yeah. Okay, so here, this is how this works. You're gonna circle the letter before, right? Circle the letter that matches the statement that best describes you. Okay, so if that statement best describes you, then that's the one you circle. Okay, so try to pick the best one. Try not to pick two unless they're 100% equal. Okay, but try to pick the very best answer. Try to choose just one answer. So read it and then try to figure out which one best describes you. All right, I'm gonna pause my video for the calls. If you need me to read any of them, I will. We only got a few minutes left, so we're going to do as much as we can. And then I want you to put this in your folder, and we'll finish it tomorrow, okay? I'll let you know when it's time for us to pack up.